Hi everyone. In this short video, I'm going to show you how we can use Google Drive. Just click these dots. Here we have many apps. Just you can select it Drive. Just click Drive. From home, you will see all the files you uploaded to your Google Drive. You see? Then My Drive, My Computer, if you have anything there. Okay. From New, here we have New Folder, File Upload, Folder Upload. You can open a Google Documents. For example, I want to create a new folder, my tutorials. Okay, create. Yes, that's the folder. Just open it. If you want to insert or upload something to this, just from here, file upload. Let's upload a file. For example, I upload this file. Open. You see it? Yes. Now the image added to this folder. Then you can from here you can download it, you can rename it, you can make a copy, you can share. If you share this one, okay, you can click this one. From here you can add people or groups. You can leave, you can change the restricted, for example, anyone with the link. Now you can copy this link. Now you can copy this link and send to your friends by email or WhatsApp or any other social media. Okay, I think that's it. Leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe. Have a nice time.